Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're making Fettuccine Alfredo Primavera. Okay, now that we have our butter melted in our pan that had the chicken saute in, we want to go back now to our wonderful mellowed out roasted garlic, and just like this. And you can see, and all you do is just grab that clove and just go ahead and just pinch this right out. Now this garlic is really mellow this way. If you like a stronger, sort of sharper garlic flavor, by all means you can go ahead and add chopped garlic to this and just saute it until it's soft. But this adds a different dimension to it, to me. So you just go through all your cloves, just squeeze that right in there. You see it just kind of almost like a paste. Again, like I said, this is very good on bread or anything else that you'd like to use it on as an appetizer. And just go ahead, sometimes you can just go ahead and do the whole thing just like this. You see it coming out, you can hear it sizzle in that butter. This is going to impart all that mellow garlic flavor to the butter and our sauce.